We're at CES 2020 in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, I'm super excited because we have brand new technologies as well as innovations on technologies from the past. So, subscribe to our channel, learn about what's going on at the show, and of course, share with your friends. Now, we are going to start at some award winning wearables. Join me as we count down the brand new tech that is on showcase at CES 2020. Now, starting with wearables, we have everything from watches to in-ear earbuds and even health tech. There's also a couple things that I literally have no idea what it is, but it's so cute. Let's hang out in the TV space. These are some of my favorite gadgets because they are big, they are brilliant. We're talking 4K, 8K. We have TVs that flip depending on what the end user needs. Would love to have this in my office, by the way. And just in case you want something bigger than your house, you can see that guy over there in the corner. This thing is huge. Now, if you're looking to charge your tech, whether you want to put it on top of a wireless charger or plug it in, those options are everywhere. Jabra always comes out with the latest and greatest in earbuds or over ear for noise canceling, and there are a lot of options on display. Now, in the health tech realm, we have some amazing new toothbrushes to keep your mouth clean, and we've got some really nice apps that are going to work on your posture and overall health. Let's jump back to those wearables. A big trend this year is going back to the simplistic but modern features of wearables. This company has an amazing digital and analog display in the same user interface, and of course, customizable bands and amazing app integration. Definitely looking forward to getting my hands on these and playing around a little bit more. There's a lot more to see at CES this year. What are you excited to see? Is there a specific gadget that you're tracking? Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon with the most up-to-date gadgets and training information.